Look at this baby. Beauty. Yo, fish on, baby. Fish on TV. Here we're on, baby. It took long, but we're on. Oh, yeah, look at this baby coming. Nice one, too. Here we're on. Ooh. Oh, shit. Ooh. Oh, damn. Holy shit. Oh my god. Let's see. Can we still do it? We still got... And we still got him. And this is a keeper. All day, baby. All day, baby. Ooh, God. Ow. We got one, baby. Woo. What's up, guys? We're here. I just lost at least a 28 incher, and I'm so sorry. But, what time is it? Hold on. It's 1 a.m. We got time left on the game clock. See, can I do it again and do it the right way? But guys, that rod, 10-pound braid, 28 incher, hella beeping fun. But in the next clip, there will be more fish, and I will redeem it. Wow, watch this. Bye, I'm gone. Okay. Let's see.
How many pounds is the line?
10 pounds.
10?
I think it was me. Got one. Not as big as my other one. But we got one on, baby. We got a fish on, baby. Come on. Come to Papi Chulo. Might be. Yeah. Let's see.
No me trepo hoy.
I mean, he's nice. Oh, yeah, he's decent. He's a decent one. To the boat. To the boat, baby. Oh, hold on, Poppy. We have redemption. 20. Not bad for, hold on, Big Daddy. Not bad for a 20.